Tesla starting release of FSD V12 to employees. Tesla has started rolling out full self-driving FSD V12 to employees. The update was confirmed by CEO Elon Musk in a post on X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter. Citing a source reportedly familiar with the matter, EV publication and software tracker, not a Tesla app, claimed that FSD V12 had begun an internal rollout with update 2023.38.10. But while FSD V12 really did reportedly drop its beta moniker, the initial rollout for the highly anticipated update was reportedly done on a more limited scale than previous updates. Musk responded to reports of FSD V12's initial rollout to Tesla employees simply, writing yes as a response to a post about the matter. Musk's post was the first official confirmation that FSD V12 is being distributed to groups of Tesla owners, even if they are only employees for now. There is much anticipation surrounding the release of FSD V12. The update reportedly eliminates over 300,000 lines of code that were previously governing FSD functions that controlled the vehicle. This suggests that FSD will now rely more on neural networks, and the system will be less dependent on hard-coded programming. The expected changes implemented on FSD V12 could be a step towards the development of an autonomous driving system that functions and perceives the world in a way that's similar to a human. Musk demonstrated FSD V12 himself in a livestream on X, which showed a Tesla Model S driving around Palo Alto. Musk's demonstration was quite impressive, as FSD V12 only needed one intervention. The rest of the drive was very smooth. With FSD V12 now being released to Tesla employees, the wait may not be long before the highly anticipated version of the advanced driver assist system gets released to regular Tesla owners as well. FSD, after all, is considered one of Tesla's most notable selling points. It is also considered a key safety system for Tesla's electric cars. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Teslarati.